Hi, in front of me is Meizu M6T, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store and typing Magic Fluids. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it and click at the bottom right corner. Choose Settings. Click I accept. And over here you can customize your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner again. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on Apply. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!